sprinkles in there too, make it nice and sprinkly. Merry Christmas. Her YouTube channel is amazing. Yeah, this is what we're making. I got it. So what is so they're gluing it? No, but it's not plugged in. Let me see. Yeah, it is. Me too. I like welding.
I like that. Yes. One of my chains fell off.
Oh, okay.
So
You have hot glue?
I have to find my hot glue guy.
Oh, okay. You can pick out anything you want. You don't want that.
Wow, nice.
Like a three-dimensional.
That's nice.
Nick, do you want him to look at?
Kelly, you're all about the cookies, right?
Yes.
These think I'm okay. Maybe you can maybe open the white tubs.
And you say Merry Christmas. This way. Turn this way and say Merry Christmas. Big smile.
Can you go through and like miss them?
No, they'll just dry out. Yeah, in fact, keeping them.
Merry Christmas.
Hi.
Maybe one more and I'll be done. You got Frina? Okay, come on, you got Frina.
I loved how their leaves had a little bit of red.
So I started April. Yeah, so it just started in April. It's probably just so all homemade. We got lotion bars over here. We got handmade soap. We got clay masks, salt scrubs, lip scrubs, bath salts, lotions, and for the guys we got some beard balm, beard oil, beard wash,
Ooh.
and we got shaving cups as well.
Lovely.
A little bit of everything for everybody.
So how long does it take you to make the soap?
The soap takes about 4 to 6 weeks because of the cure time.
Okay.
Everything else, usually about 24, 48 hours. Just depends, just to let it sit and set, depending on what it is.
And do you sell online?
Yes, I do.
You do? Okay.
Yep, at Botanicals.com. We have our cards right here.
There you go.
And like I said, we're right here in Prunedale. And I do special requests as well. So most of my items are made with
I have to tell you guys, this soap smells so good.
thank you, thank you.
And this is the crafter, homemade. What are you putting in for, Maribel?
You know what? I think I'm gonna. Oh, there's so many of them. I don't know. Look at how nice these are.
Are you a winner, Maribel?
I'm a winner. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win big.
Eight, 3, 2, 8.
Anyway, yeah.
8598. Is there a name on the back? No. Nope.
Make you famous.
This is for
Jeffrey!
Angie, why don't you come on up here? This is from Botanicals Nursery. And she can tell you what you need to do. It's a dormant tree right now. It's not raining, huh?
I know.
Yeah, she might have.
I was also told this that you have here.